Hello students, can you solve this? This is a question from IGCSE 0580 past paper. Summer 2024, paper 2-1. Let us solve it. The question says the diagram shows two sides of a parallelogram ABCD. We need to find the coordinates of D. When you come across such question, you need to understand that it is from vectors, where we can see that two opposite sides of a parallelogram are always parallel and equal. This question is from the concept vectors. Vector AD equals vector DC because they are parallel. Vector AD equals 6 minus 4 and vector DC is also 6 minus 4. Vector DC equals C minus D. Rearranging the equation, we get D is equal to C minus vector DC, which is equal to minus 3, 7.